Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about how to create a new account on Instagram. Before this video I have made 2 more videos on Instagram, so if you want then I have given a link in the description below. Watch it there, or you can see it by clicking on the I button at the upper right side. So if you are on this channel for the first time, then subscribe to this channel, and if the video sounds good then like the video. So without any delay, let's start the video. At first, we will open Instagram app. Then simply click on our profile. Then click on your username. Now, if we will have to click on the add account option just below, we will get 2 options. The first option means to log in the already created account, and the second means to create a new account. So we have to click on another option. Now you can fill your username as you wish, then Instagram will send you a username related to it. So I'm going to keeping my username as a stranger, and it has come a lot of options in related. So I'm going to choose stranger 9688 here. Now we have to click on next. Here we have to click on sign up with email address and phone number, which is written below next. Here I do not want to share my phone and email, so I just hide it. I hope you don't mind. Now OTP will come on my same email address that I had just entered, and we will enter that OTP here. Now you have to choose your password, but the password is at least 6 digits long. Now your Instagram account were created, and if you want to follow someone, then here you got many popular IDs which you can follow. So guys, I think you must have now understand how to create a new account on Instagram. That's all for today. And if you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch the similar video, and thank you for watching the video.